So today we will learn how to add integers. So take this out. We will provide some examples. What are the rules for adding integers? Okay, for like signs, rule number 1. Like signs or integers with the same sign, find the sum of their absolute values and use the sign common to both integers. So let's take, for example, 8 plus 7 and negative 3 plus negative 4. 8 is positive, 7 is positive. We have to add the absolute value. 8 plus 7 is 15. Then copy the common sign. Positive, positive, positive. So 15. Negative 3 plus negative 4. 3 is negative, 4 is negative. Same sign. Then we have to add the absolute value. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then copy the common sign. Negative. Okay, next. Rule number 2. Negative 6 plus 3. Or 7 plus negative 8. Okay, for the rule number 2, unlike signs or integers with different signs, find the difference of their absolute values and use the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. Okay, different signs. 6 is negative, 3 is positive. So we have to subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then copy the sign of the greater number. Which is greater, 6 or 3? 6. So you have to copy the sign of 6, which is negative. Now, 7 plus negative 8. 7 is positive, 8 is negative. Different signs. So you have to subtract the absolute value. 8 minus 7 is 1. Then copy the sign of the greater number. Which is greater, 8 or 7? 8. Then copy the sign of 8, negative. Okay, so that's the final answer. Now, let's try some more. (12) plus 43. Okay, same sign. 12 is positive, 43 is positive. You have to add the absolute value, which is 55. Then copy the common sign, positive. Okay, next. Negative 8 plus negative 17. 8 is negative, 17 is negative. Add the absolute value. 8 plus 17 is 25. Then copy the common sign. Negative, negative, negative. Final answer. Now, let's try another one. Negative 9 plus 76. Okay, now 9 is negative, 76 is positive. What will you do? Subtract the absolute value. 76 minus 9 is 67. Now, copy the sign of the greater number. Which is greater, 76 or 9? 76. So you have to copy the sign of 76, which is positive. So your answer is 67. Next, another one. Let's try a little more complicated. Negative 10 plus negative 20 plus 30. Okay, let's try this one. You have to take these two first. Negative 10 plus negative 20. Same sign. Add the absolute value. 10 plus 20 is 30. Then copy the common sign. Negative plus 30. Negative 30 plus 30. Different signs. Negative, positive. So you have to subtract the absolute value. 30 minus 30 is 0. So that's it.